In this video, I'm going to show you how to run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. So if your JavaScript's not working or you're having issues running your code, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. So first thing we need to do is go and open up an internet browser, and we need to make sure we have JavaScript installed. So go and type in Node.js and press enter and click on this top website here. You can then click on get Node.js, and you'll need to scroll down and click on the Windows installer. Click on your downloads folder and go and open up this file. You can then go through the steps to install JavaScript to your computer. Now once it's finished, click on the finish button and head back over to Visual Studio. You can then click on terminal and select new terminal. Now we need to ensure that we've installed JavaScript. So you need to type in node space v and then press enter. Now if you get this message that says code is not recognized, then what you'll need to do is go and close out of Visual Studio, make sure the app is completely shut down, and then you can try reopening it, and then you can try typing in the command again, and if you see this version number, that means it's been installed successfully. So once you've done this, you need to click on extensions in the left hand side. Using the search box, type in code runner and press search. You then need to click on this top one, which is code runner, and make sure it's by Jun Han. You then need to click on install, click on trust and install, and once you've installed this, you can head over to your JavaScript file. You should then see this run button, and we can go and click on this, and this is going to run your JavaScript file. As you can see, this is the output in the window at the bottom. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.